আজকে আমরা এআইডিতে পিক গুডিজ পেয়েছি আর দেখছি আজকে আমরা কি কি পেয়েছি। লেটস আনবক্স ইট রাইট নাও। Open it from this side. I don't have scissors also, guys. The packaging is not so good, but the things inside it looks really good. Let's see how it is. Looks like that. You can zoom it also if you want. It is torn from here. So nice, no? Candle is so nice. I like it. We have this. Let's see what is inside it. It's too tight. I'm not able to open it. Oh my god. Seriously. It's tough. Jai Bajrangbali. No, sorry. Okay, I have one more box. We have chocolates here. We have, no, it's not chocolates. We have kunafa. It's blueberry kunafa. And then biscoff kunafa. We have kunafas here in this box. And we have a note here. So this is a Peak goodie and we have a note for Peak AID from Amazon for all the Amazonians. And we have this box. It's AID, guys. Okay. See. Audits and insights too. Okay, this time also we got from Dadu's. We requested from Dadu's this time in the last connect and we got again from the Dadu's only. Hyderabad. These are the dry fruits and sweets. Here we go. I don't know what inside this one of the jar. Let me try once again. If I can open it, yeah, I think so. Okay, they have this walnuts and I don't remember the name. Mostly I think, yeah. So that's all, guys. We have got as a peak goodie from our from Amazon. And thank you.